Alright, today we're replacing the brake light on the Subaru Forester. This is a 2012. And here's what we're going to be using: a 10mm socket. You can also use a large Phillips, but I think the 10mm is a little bit easier. I'm going to be using this plastic pry tool. It's going to help me get this off, and especially if this is the first time it's ever come off, it'll be helpful. And then you're going to need the 7443, and I've put links below in the description to everything I'm using, and then I'll take you straight to Amazon. First order of business is remove these two bolts. Alright, next order of business is we're going to slide this out. Okay, so now the bolts are out, we're going to pull this way, but I'm going to use this pry tool to help me out. This is just going to go kind of right here and just kind of ease that out. Okay, now we have access to the bulbs. This one right here is a brake light. Just turn it counterclockwise, get your old bulb out. Okay, old bulb is out. New bulb just goes straight in. Gonna hear that clip. Okay, we're all locked up. Now, a couple things to note here. These two prongs and this slide go in here, and these two prongs. So do your best to line this up when you push it back in. First, line up this top one, and then make sure these bottom ones are pressed in. Now this is back in, replace these two bolts, test it out, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit that thumbs up button.